Are you tired of looking at the same cookie cutter floor plans again and again? We got a real treat for you today. Not only do we got a unique layout that I know you've never seen before, but we got space for the whole family and the ideal spot to entertain.
Plus, a great room with 18-foot ceilings and a magic staircase. All that and more on this episode.
So Luke, here we are in the Art of Bluffs, just such a gem within the city of Barrie. It's picturesque back here. Can you imagine living across the street from something like this? Truly a dream. Actually, come to think of it, you kind of do live right across the street from this. So tell us a few things you love about living in the Art of Bluffs.
Absolutely. This is my home neighborhood, and I love living in the Bluffs for a lot of reasons. The Bluffs themselves, of course, are an awesome backdrop. Whether you're walking the dog or just come for a stroll, what more of a picturesque spot to do it? But the rest of the neighborhood has a ton to offer as well, right? This particular listing we're going to see is about a half block from a city rec center, which has got a pool, fitness centers, all kinds of tracks and different activities you can do there for yourself and the kids. But the neighborhood's got more to offer as well. We're about a block from your famous local watering hole, and a convenience store, and another street past that, you've got a full grocery store, shops, restaurants, everything you can want. It's easy access for commuters and just everything for a great family neighborhood.
Couldn't agree more. Now that's just one piece of the puzzle. Let's go check out this magnificent home because you're gonna love this. Now we've got the location covered. We know you're gonna love the Art of Bluffs. Who doesn't? But we've also got the perfect family home to go along with it. All brick, 2-story. It's incredibly grand, curb appeal in behind me here. We know you're gonna love it. You got an arched doorway that leads you to a brand new fiberglass door system. In addition to that, a tremendous amount of landscaping. You got stone walkways around both sides of the house. There's absolutely a ton you're gonna love about this house. Let's head inside and take a look.
I just love this gorgeous front door, but what we've got inside here, you're gonna love even more. This floor plan is the perfect blend of both modern and traditional. We often get buyers asking us for an open concept floor plan and then lamenting about where they put their furniture and how they define their rooms. But I've never seen a floor plan quite like this that makes those decisions for you. We've got a generous size formal living and formal dining room that's open to the double height 18-foot great room, which is open concept to the kitchen for that entertaining. But we also have the open concept boxes checked here because you've got this flow-through staircase that gives you that bright and airy feel. Coupled with the columns and half walls, you're gonna have the open concept feel while still having the definition of space that your family's gonna love and enjoy. With over 2,500 square feet here, there's tons more to see.
Now, whether you're the lover of traditional or the lover of modern, you're gonna love this kitchen, and I know that for sure. Let me tell you why. It's got something for everybody. 9-foot ceilings with an amazing coffered detail, and it's filled with pot light, so it's super bright. In addition to that, we got a tremendous amount of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and then where it all happens, right around that kitchen island where all your friends and family will gather. But it's not just that, it overflows into a great room that truly holds up to its name. We got a tremendous amount of windows that flood it with natural light, a gas fireplace. Now this is a wow factor.
But the second floor is not gonna disappoint either, guys. We've got 4 more bedrooms up here. When you come up this grand staircase, you're greeted with a double door entry into your master suite that's got a walk-in closet and its own ensuite bath. The other 3 bedrooms, another bath, are down its own wing to the front. You're gonna love this space.
you guessed it, the lower level is entirely finished as well. We're now totally just shy of 4,000 square feet. Talk about an amazing space. But what I love about this lower level, it's all been recently painted, so it's got a fresh neutral feel, and it is a blank canvas down here. We've got an additional 3-piece bath plus a bedroom. But not just that, you could easily convert into an in-law suite if you got some parents that want to live with you, or just the ideal space to kick those kids downstairs so they can entertain themselves. Let's take a tour.
You know me, I love my outdoor space. We got the perfect mix of sun and shade out here with this gazebo and this oversized deck in a fully fenced backyard. This is gonna be the space where I wanna hang out and entertain all summer.
Luke, I thought you were in the backyard, man. Ah, there we are. Are you kidding me with these mature trees? It is an absolute private paradise back here. Not to mention it's the perfect blend of the deck for the parents and all this green space for the kids and four-legged friends. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website. Now, if you loved today's tour and you want to check out some more amazing home tours in the city of Barrie, click up here for our watch list. And if you want to ensure you never miss another one of our videos, click right here to subscribe.